All right, what's up, my people? So we had a little setback because they gave us so we purchased the front rotor, but they gave us the rear rotor. So right now we're gonna go ahead and continue where we left off from the last video. So yeah. So let's go ahead and slide this one in. Sledgehammer, sorry, we'll just use this. Get this little piece right here blocking us. It's playing a little bit hard to get. There we go. Piston. Chop down our little best friends. Let's set this brake pad in there. So when we're turning this in to apply pressure, this screw will kind of be going like in the opposite direction. That's pretty much how it works. Okay, so with this piece right here, this is what I like to do. Kind of get an idea of measurement. So roughly measure about right here. Open that up. Okay, let's turn this some more. Or you can do it the other way and just push the caliper piston all the way in. You still got to do the bleeding process, but there's just another little technique that, you know, it's almost done. solid fit. And then now we'll just go ahead and tighten everything up. And put this 10 mil back in. There. Go ahead and tighten these back up. We're pretty much set, at least for this side. So go ahead and I guess in the description below it'll be showing the previous video, and you'll be able to see what issue we came into, so you can see the different size in this front rotor versus the rear rotor. So you can go ahead and check that out. I'll put in the description below. I'll have or on the comments I'll put tag the video, and then or I'll highlight the video so y'all can check that out as well. But we'll see you on the next video. Hopefully you like, share, subscribe. This is a 2017 Toyota Camry XLE. Yeah. Hopefully this helps you out if you're DIY. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and feel free. We're gonna go ahead and press the brake right now to go kind of compress the caliper and the brake pads to the rotor and get it going, good. So hopefully you like, share, subscribe again. And we'll see you on the next video. Stay greasy. Oh, by the way, this is the passenger side. Thanks for watching.